basin, the fountain pots. And we're going to talk about these trees real quick. So these trees are signifying the start of a thermal basin, right? The creation period. So when these things are starting off and creation is occurring in these areas, we're basically going to have a really thin crust of the earth. Water's going to break through that crust, flood the forest here. As it floods the forest, the trees try to suck up that water, and in doing so, they suck up some of the minerals as well that's in that water. One of the minerals is silica. Silica is right there in the bottom of the tree, and if you look at that white bottom, as silica gets up in there, nothing else is going above it. So the tree is, at that point, is then dead. And this is kind of the first time for us in the park here to know that the thermal basin is starting off. Right? So right now in the northwest area of the park, kind of way in the backcountry, there's this forest that they're slowly noticing is flooding. Some of the trees are having the white bases forming. And the thing is, very possible in the next couple of years, maybe in 10 to 15 years, that we're seeing another thermal basin in creation out there. And that's a good point because the park is in a constant state of change. Right? We get roughly like 3,000 tremors and earthquakes a year. So we've already had like 17 today. If you guys don't feel those because they're real small, they don't affect us on the surface, but they affect all these things underground. And they'll collapse plumbing systems or reopen a whole new chamber and create an active geyser or create a dormant geyser. And all that stuff is just basically what's going on underneath us. So what we see right here on the surface is like 15%, tip of the iceberg. But we're gonna walk up to Silex here in just a second. As we're walking up to Silex, you're gonna see all this different bacterial growth on your right hand side. They're all thermophilic, thermophiles. So that just means they love the heat. And every time you see the color changing, it's just signifying another temperature change in the water. So we'll walk up next to Silex. Feel free to take some photos of the bacteria while we're walking up there.
Yes. That's great.
It's all good. They probably didn't know better.
Really weird question.
Really weird answer. Sorry, go ahead. You're good.
Which was the pool that they found the shoe with the foot in it?
Oh, that was over at Westham.
Okay.
So it's like a little bit past Old Faithful. There's a junction. You turn and you go a little bit further. And then Westham, the geyser basin, is actually on Yellowstone Lake. It's really famous for that. So the steam is coming up and like in the background. But yeah, somebody they found it.